Hello everyone. This lesson is going to focus on irregular verbs, especially the irregular verb catch, caught, caught. Okay, let's do it. The first meaning is to take and hold, to get hold of and stop an object, such as a ball that is moving through the air. So we catch the ball. Stephen caught the ball in one hand. I will throw the ball and catch it if you can. We also can catch an illness. Catch an infectious disease is a typical use of this verb. Catch the flu, catch a virus, catch malaria. So, I caught chicken pox from my friend at school. My friend caught malaria in Africa and nearly died. We also use the word catch when we find someone or when we stop someone. Actually, we find criminals and stop them from escaping, the same meaning as capture. We catch the thief, we catch the robber, or we can catch the murderer, especially the police. If you go back to the city, you are bound to get caught. The police have launched a massive operation to catch the murderer. We also use the word catch when we want to stop someone after you've been chasing them and not let them get away. "You can't catch me," she yelled, running away. "Catch me if you can." We also use catch when we see someone doing something. Catch somebody doing something has the meaning that you see someone doing something that they did not want you to know they were doing. I caught him reading my diary. She turned around and caught the man looking at her intently. Definitely we use the word catch when we catch an animal or we catch fish. We trap an animal or fish by using a trap, net or hook, or by hunting it. So we catch a fish, catch a rabbit, and so on. Did you catch any fish? Early settlers caught rabbits and squirrels in order to survive. So, catch, caught, caught. This is the irregular verb. And yes, there are many other uses of the word catch. Let me just give you a few of them. I'll give you a call soon. Okay, catch you later. 2 farm workers died when a barn caught fire. Hang on a minute, let me catch my breath. A beautiful dress caught my eye while I was shopping. I caught a taxi to work. I caught sight of her in the crowd. This has caught my imagination. Alright, that's all about it. So I hope you have a better understanding how to use the word, this irregular verb, catch, caught, caught. Come back to similar lessons like this one was, and consider subscribing if you like this lesson. Have a wonderful day.